Today we are diving into modeling an apple in Autodesk Maya, starting from a simple donut shape. This is a great exercise for beginners and intermediate artists, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn a basic torus into an apple. If you're passionate about 3D modeling, animation and CGI, you're in the right place. First thing first, set up the project in Maya and let's get started. Step 1. You create a torus. Go to Polymodeling, Shelf and select the torus icon. You'll see the torus appear in your viewports. Adjust the torus setting with the torus selected. Head over the attribute editor on the right. Here you can tweak the radius, section radius and subdivision to get a smooth base mesh. For this apple, set the radius to 1.0 and section radius to 0.5. Set both subdivision axis and subdivision height to 20 for a nice even geometry. Zoom inside the donut model and select the faces that overlap. Then head over to delete them. Follow up by selecting the open edges and use the Merge to Center tool. You can now orbit around your model and tweak any uneven areas. Remember, apples aren't perfectly symmetrical. For extra realism, you can add a cylinder at the top and tweak it to create a stem. Stems can be harder than they look. Next step is creating the leaf. Start with a plane and delete. Then draw an AP curve. Extrude along the curve, select two edges on the plane, then extrude it along the AP curve. Use 11 subdivisions. Interpolation, set it to linear so it follows the paths cleanly without weird smoothing. Delete any non-manifold or leftover weird faces and to keep it tidy. And then apply the Lattice Deformer with the 2S divisions, 2T divisions and 5U divisions. Align it with the real stock. Use the lattice points to move bend and twist the tip so it fits naturally along the stock. And if I've learned anything in Maya is that the second you think you're done, that's when the real chaos begins. The apple isn't complete yet, so we can't render it right now. It needs to go to Mudbox. I don't know if it will come back to Maya ready to render, but I really have no other options. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it on the comment section. I will try my best to answer all of them. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative 3D content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.